I am just going to show you guys a look at a morning of farm chores after a blizzard. We had over a foot of snow, and yeah, there's a few surprises that I haven't shared with you guys yet. Oh, what was that? You'll find out. It's really frozen.
Odin was trying to climb up the gate.
Yeah, I bet. Here, let me see, bud.
Look at him.
The cows have 1, 2, 3, 4 bales of hay where they can eat, and they've got this shelter, and then they can get in the woods. Dan's gonna try and push some snow around in a spot and roll out another bale for them to lay on. Horses like watching. The horses got that shelter and the big shelter. They know the skid steer means more hay, so pretty much whenever they hear that running, they start moving. The snow is very deep. We got over a foot yesterday, and we had gotten 8 inches on Monday, which of course had packed down a little bit, but we've got over a foot of snow. And then today, it's been warm, which is why you can see some of the snow kind of melted on the critters. Today it's going to drop down and get really cold. I think it's about 19 right now, and it's going to get colder and colder all day. By tonight it'll be, I think, about 1 degree, and then it's going to be crappy like that for the next week. So there's extra care for the animals, extra water. All the tank heaters are out finally. We hadn't needed to put them out because it's been warm, but tank heaters are out. Make sure all the waters are full and clean, and endless hay and feed for everybody. Dan's out plowing the driveway now. And see, the cows love the new bale rolled out. They'll eat some of it, and then it'll also just give them a dry spot to lay down for the afternoon, since everything is covered in snow. Happy cows. Well, I just got the chickens topped up with food. They've got water in here. They won't leave the chicken coop with this much snow, so I just gotta make sure they have everything they need in here. Hi, boys. To keep them happy and fed. So it's actually pretty warm in here. Their water didn't even freeze all the way. Got a little bit of ice on it, but not bad. So this is Odin. We've had him for just over a week. He's a new baby. Yeah, so he's another Great Pyrenees. His parents were about Max's size, so he should end up about the same size as Max. It's time to get Max another buddy. So he's fitting in really good, right? You're a happy dog.